The CEOs of three major drug companies face tough questions today on Capitol Hill. Senators accuse them of ripping off the American people by charging more for some of their most popular drugs in the U.S. compared to other countries. Here's CBS's Scott MacFarlane.
Three giants of American medicine took a heavy dose of criticism.
Americans are forced to pay higher and higher prices for the drugs they need to survive.
From a Senate committee investigating prices of some of the most popular medicines, thousands of dollars for diabetes drug Januvia and HIV treatment Simtuva.
It's like a bag of heavy rocks. People have been carrying this around on their shoulders.
The CEOs of Johnson & Johnson, Merck, and Bristol Myers Squibb.
Will you commit today that Bristol Myers Squibb will reduce the list price of Eliquis?
We can't make that commitment.
Answered for why their drugs cost 3 times more in the U.S. than in 33 other wealthy countries.
It has very high labor costs, their transportation costs, their raw material costs.
The execs and Republicans argued the companies often pump their massive earnings into research and new medicines.
We spend 6 times more in developing cures for patients than we did in stock buyback.
But some Democrats slammed the companies for spending tens of millions on executive compensation as millions of people skip doses they can't afford. Has there ever been a time where you had to skip a dose because you didn't have the money?
Yes.
Including Erica Jacobson, a Montana mother of 3 who pays $12,000 a year to treat seizures and an ulcer.
I had to go to the ER and spend a couple days in the ER.
Merck CEO Robert Davis said drug makers do offer rebates and discounts, but Davis, who testified today only after being threatened with a subpoena, declined to answer our questions. The pharmaceutical giants are also suing to stop a Biden administration plan to give Medicare more power to negotiate lower drug prices. They say it'll cut into their earnings and their ability to make new medicines. Norah?
Scott MacFarlane on Capitol Hill, thank you.